Now, when people teach you accounting, they usually talk about merchandise inventory, and they really kind of give you a glossy overview, and they leave it at that. Now, that's all great and whatever if you're buying merchandise from a manufacturing facility in order to put it in your store so you can sell it. Okay? For instance, you remember that video I did about the Midland weather radios? Okay, so a retail company buys a whole bunch of Midland weather radios and they put them in their stores so they can sell them to you. Okay? Now, that'd be all fine and dandy. That's one type of merchandise inventory. But what they don't tell you is when you talk about manufacturing, you have 3 different types of inventory. You're like, wait a minute, 3 different types of inventory? Yes, I'm going to cover the first one here tonight. It's called the raw materials inventory. Now, what is raw materials inventory? Well, we're going to deal with a company that makes men's shirts. Now, these are the types of shirts that these guys wear when they are working for companies, okay? You'll see with the shirt and the tie and the suit, okay? You got the suit, the shirt, the tie. This company is going to make the shirts for those suits, okay? Now, they have to start out with fabric, okay? So the fabric is the raw material. Now, the fabric's not the only raw material they have to have. They have to have thread, okay? So you have your fabric, you have your thread, and that's pretty much, well, that and the buttons, okay? Because remember, you're going to put buttons on this shirt. This shirt's not going to have zippers, okay? This one's going to have buttons. So you've got your fabric, you've got your buttons, and you've got your thread to sew it all together. And that's your raw materials. Now then, in the next video, I'm going to explain the second type of inventory. So you can see that accounting gets a little more complicated as you go along. I will tell you more in my next video. Stay tuned.